now next we're gonna have Lilly speak and tell you about what she did. She also has created a little worksheet for y'all to do as well. So excited. Let's introduce her. Ramp her up. Let's do it.
Hi ladies, thank you so much for coming today. This has been a lot of planning, but I'm so glad that it's finally here and it's happening. Couldn't have done this without you guys actually showing up. So yeah. I handed each of you a little worksheet. Actually, I'm not sure everybody got one because we got here late, but here's another one. And then you've got a pen in your bag, so you're going to need that for this little workshop that we're going to do. You one more. Huh? Oh, sorry. I was trying to help, and I was making that work. Okay, so everybody's got a paper now and a pen? You ready? Okay, cool. So, my name is Lilly Neal. I am a professional organizer. My company is called Revise Your Space. I have been in business for just going on a year now, and it's just been life transforming for me. So I'm hoping to help you guys transform your lives now. So we're going to do a short little workshop. For number one, think about the room in your life where you feel the most stress. Write the name of that room first and then describe it. So what kind of things are in there? What does it look like? What's in it? Take a couple minutes and just describe that room right now.
In our home or just in
It can be in your home or your office, or in somebody else's home too.
Okay.
I mean, like mother-in-law. If your mother-in-law, her house stresses you out, and you're out of the house room. If it's your husband's man cave, that's what I've heard down here. About that room. And it could even be something as small as a closet. It doesn't have to be a whole room. A closet, a junk drawer, even. That's my closet.
Yeah, that's mine. Closet.
Yeah. It was really nice and good. Now it's not. It's become the catch-all.
Yeah.
Okay, and then as you think about that space, also write some descriptive words about how it makes your body feel. That's under 1A. So any emotions that come to mind, how do you feel as you think about that room? That's not a word,
Is there a word to describe it?
Can I take a picture of your plate?
Oh my gosh, yes!
That looks amazing.
Yeah, definitely.
That's someone doing it right.
Yeah, I gotta take a picture. Grapes are my favorite.
Yeah. Where's your
There you go.
There you go. There you go. That's super cute. That was great.
All right, you guys done with that question? All right, would anyone like to share about their stressful space? You want to tell me about it, or tell the group about it?
I will. It's my restroom because it's small and I just moved into my new apartment and I just feel like my makeup every time I clean it and then every time I get ready it's like exploded again. So that's for me.
So how does that make you feel?
It makes me feel small and cluttered and like claustrophobic and just like
Yeah. Not even need a word for that.
yeah.
How about somebody down there? What kind of room are you? Yeah.
It's not a room, it's a house.
Okay. So can you describe that house for us, Sharon?
Absolutely. So it's my parents' house.
Okay.
And my mom, anything she wants, she sees, she buys.
Oh.
So it could be antiques, it could be anything. There is not 1 inch of anything countertops wise that doesn't have something on it.
Yeah.
And then whenever you go to the bathrooms, it's like, it kind of looks sort of organized, enough. But then once you start going down the hallways,
walking into that house then.
I'm not a minimalist, but I'm like a place for everything, everything has place.
Yeah.
And I get claustrophobic,
Yeah.
just stressed, overwhelmed. It's almost like I just walk in and verbally, everything just fell on top of my head. It just,
So health concerns maybe?
yeah. You just sit there going, I just don't breathe.
Yeah. Okay, all right, so we're gonna move on to question number 2. So next I want you to imagine your peaceful oasis. This could be a spa, a cabin in the woods, a peaceful getaway. So write what that space looks like. What is in there? What does it have in it? Yeah, describe that place.
Peaceful, it is or is not connected to the.
Oh,
it's
no,
just
it can be imaginary, actually. It doesn't have to be a real place. Yeah, just your happy place that you can imagine being very calm there. Maybe it's while you're getting, maybe it's where you get a massage, I don't know. Yeah, be thinking about what kinds of things are also in that room, the peaceful oasis. And then while you're doing that, also, so 2A, describe how the peaceful oasis makes you feel. How do you feel as you're writing about this ideal space? Looks like some of you are starting to be done. So would anyone like to share about their peaceful space? What does that look like for you?
It's just a bookstore.
A bookstore. That's awesome. That'd be my peaceful space too. Yeah. So, like maybe a chair sitting in the corner, somewhere nice where you can read.
Well, it exists, just not here. Yeah, it was like a cabin with like a fireplace and lots of books and comfy chair and blankets.
here.
Yeah, a space to curl up and just read and be warm and comfy.
Yeah. How does that space make you feel? Writing about it.
Happy,
Yeah.
relaxed, peaceful.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
I said the moon.
The moon.
This is nice. It's like clean. There's like a lot of regulation. You can't have too many things there, and the world's at your doorstep, literally.
You have everything you need, right?
Yeah.
You got the food and the water and your
You can bounce
instruments.
around. What else do you need?
I said spa on the beach.
Yes.
That's a good one. Massage on the beach, yes. With essential oils and palm trees with clear water, maybe a running fountain.
Great.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so for number 3, thinking back to the stressful space in question 1, what is something you could do in there to gain back control and make it feel more like the oasis you described in question 2? Throw everything out. That might be it.
Don't go in there.
Oh yeah, and kicking out your spouse or children is probably not an option. Just they have to live there too in most cases. Okay, so this isn't a question on your paper, but just something for us to talk about. Why do you think the space you described in question 1 felt so much more stressful than the peaceful oasis you described in question 2?
Because it's cluttered.
It's cluttered? Yeah.
I think for me they were different because like I put my closet as my stressful place.
Yeah.
And I use that space every single day. So kind of like with your bathroom, it's like really easy for it to get messy every time. And
Yeah.
I don't have a beach house. So very different.
Yeah. So maybe some functionality in that room.
I think
Yeah.
it's very
So, was there one down there? Sorry. No, okay.
No, I ate something and I thought splash of power on it, so I was like,
Oh. All right. Okay. So science actually teaches us that being surrounded by too many things increases people's cortisol levels. And cortisol is a primary stress hormone. So I'm here to tell you that you do have control over your space and what's in it, which means you have control over your stress level. So those spaces that, other than maybe your parents' house, it isn't yours, but I can also help them. So one of the things that I really love to do is to help people to declutter their lives, because I feel that stress. When I walk into a house that is just cluttered, there's stuff everywhere, it actually takes mental energy for you to process every little thing that you're looking at. And if you have less stuff around you, there's less of that to process. So they say, there's some people who like to say, oh yeah, a messy desk is fine, but actually, like, studies have shown that having a cleaner desk, having a nice workspace to come back to, like, that really helps you to de-stress and focus on your actual work. So yeah, that's just something that I can help people with. I love to help people declutter. Another thing that I help with is moving is stressful for people also. So when people are going to be moving, I can help them to pare down what they have and only move what they actually want in their new home. And then also, once they get there, I can come up with the most logical way for people to put things in their house so that it's going to work for them. Like figuring out a flow for a room, and okay, if you're in your kitchen, you want the spices and the silverware nearby. You're going to want the cups near the refrigerator, that kind of thing. So those are some services that I can help out with. But I appreciate you guys working through this workshop with me and for playing along. So thank you so much for having me here.
I meant to ask you this earlier, but
Yeah.
do you do commercial spaces as well?
I can, yeah. I'm only one person right now,
Right.
but there are other organizers that I work with who I could bring in if it were like a bigger job.
It would be big.
Yeah, but I can totally help with that.
Like a candle studio.
Sure.
Yeah.
Very specific. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, totally I can help with that. Oh yeah, so I also have a raffle prize to give away. This lovely gift basket full of, there's candles and soaps and just a lot of girly stuff in there. So appreciate you having me out, but I also want to give away gifts.
Right.
I never win anything.
Well, you were the last one to walk in, and so
Yeah, not this time, sorry. No. This is Leslie Mason. So I'm going to hand the reins over to Haley. Oh, sorry,
I
one
just
more
want to ask
question.
you one question.
Yeah.
For everybody. How far have you or will you travel to help?
Oh, yes.
Mostly the Austin area. I've been as far as Dripping Springs, I think, and then Utah, probably. So
And where are you located?
I'm in Pflugerville, so
Okay.
right up the street from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
My cards are in each of your bags as well. So thanks. Yeah. All right, Haley, you're up.
Thank you so much. Real quick, last call if you want to order another drink with Georgette. If not,
Yeah.
yes.